Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Number 2. Write the short answers. Question number 1. Name only 4 organ systems found in human beings. Answer. Digestive system, muscular system, respiratory system, nervous system. Question number 2. How respiratory and circulatory systems are integrated. Answer. When we breathe in, air enters your airways and travels down into air sac or alveoli in your lungs. The circulatory system, which is made up of the heart and blood vessels, supports the respiratory system by bringing to and from lungs. Question number 3. How specific information is received by human body? Answer. Human body receives specific information through sense organs. Question number 4. How does a human body respond when a specific information received? Answer. Through brain, our body responds in different ways. Some examples of information and response in human are: number 1. In light, our eyes close. Number 2. You are hungry, so you eat some food. Number 3. It starts raining, so you take out an umbrella. Question number 5. Name the parts of human respiratory system. Answer. Parts of human respiratory system are nose, throat, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Question number 6. Why the lungs are spongy? Answer. Lungs are spongy due to presence of air sacs. Air sacs have network of thin blood vessels. Question number 7. Describe the exchange of gases in human lungs. Answer. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place between air sacs and thin blood vessels. Oxygen from the air sacs passes into blood. At the same time, CO2 from the cells passes out of the blood into air sacs. Question number 8. How does inhalation and exhalation takes places? Answer. Number 1. Inhalation. The process that moves air into the lungs is called inhalation. During this process, the diaphragm flattens and moves to downwards. The ribs move upwards and outwards. The lungs expand. The air enters the lungs. Number 2. Exhalation. The process of going air out of the lungs is called exhalation. During this process, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upwards, the ribs move downwards and inwards, the lungs are compressed, and air is given out from the lungs. Question number 9. Why do you need a blood circulatory system? Answer. All the cells of body need oxygen from the lungs. CO2 has to be removed from the lungs, so we need a circulatory system. Question number 10. Describe and write function of the following. Function A, heart. B, blood. C, blood vessels. Answer. Function A, heart. The human heart is a can-shaped organ. It is located in the chest between two lungs. The heart functions as a pump. B. Function B, blood. Blood is a circulatory fluid. It consists of plasma and blood vessels. Function C, blood vessels. The three types of blood vessels are arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Exchange of materials such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, glucose, etc. takes place between the blood and blood cells through capillaries. Veins are the blood vessels that bring blood back to the heart. Question number 11. Write the